Most people assume that the elegant cat dressed in a formal black and white suit belongs to a specific fancy breed. However, biology reveals that this sophisticated look is actually the result of a fascinating genetic accident. We often mistake their formal attire for a calm personality, but the truth about Tuxitude is surprisingly chaotic. Your tuxedo cat is not just a pet, they are a walking scientific phenomenon with a history that rivals human royalty. While they look like they are ready for a red carpet gala, their genetics tell a story of rebellion and randomness. If you think you know everything about these dapper felines, get ready to have your perception completely changed. Here is exactly what you need to know before adopting a tuxedo cat and why they are the Einsteins of the cat world. First, it is absolutely crucial to understand that tuxedo is a pattern description, never a specific biological breed. You can find this distinct black and white pattern in Maine Coons, Persians, Scottish folds, and famously in mixed breeds. The pattern creates a visual illusion of a dinner jacket, usually consisting of a white chest, feet, and belly area. This means that when you adopt a tuxedo, you are getting a genetic surprise package regarding their size and their fur. Second, the science behind their coat is caused by something called the piebald gene, or the white spotting gene. During development in the womb, pigment cells called melanocytes move from the embryo's spine downwards to the front. In tuxedo cats, these pigment cells simply move too slowly and fail to cover the entire body before development ends. Think of it like pouring chocolate sauce over a scoop of vanilla ice cream, but running out of sauce halfway down. The white parts of your cat are not actually white pigment. They are simply areas where the colour failed to arrive. This random biological process ensures that no two tuxedo cats in the history of the world have ever looked identical. Sometimes the white is just a small locket on the throat, and sometimes it covers almost the entire face and body. Third, tuxedo cats are world famous for their distinct personality traits, a phenomenon often called Tuxitude. Owners and veterinarians consistently report that these cats are significantly more vocal, active, and outgoing. They are often described as having a dog-like nature because they tend to follow their owners from room to room. While scientific studies on coat colour and personality are ongoing, the anecdotal evidence for their energy is huge. They establish a strong, almost possessive bond with their primary human, often ignoring other people in the house. This intense loyalty makes them excellent companions, but it also means they can be prone to separation anxiety. Fourth, history suggests that tuxedo cats might be the secret geniuses of the feline world due to their famous owners. Sir Isaac Newton, one of the smartest humans to ever live, owned a tuxedo cat whom he reportedly loved very dearly. Legend says that Newton actually invented the cat flap because his tuxedo cat kept interrupting his light experiments. Even William Shakespeare and Ludwig van Beethoven were known to seek the creative companionship of these bicolour muses. If you want a cat that might accidentally help you discover gravity or write a symphony, a tuxedo is your best bet. Fifth, unlike the complex genetics of calico or orange cats, the tuxedo pattern is an equal opportunity phenomenon. Calico and tortoiseshell cats are almost exclusively female due to the colour gene being linked to the X chromosome. Orange tabby cats are predominantly male, but tuxedo cats are split almost perfectly 50-50 between the genders. This makes them widely available for adoption, yet they still retain an air of exclusivity and high-class rarity. Sixth, did you know that a tuxedo cat is the only feline in history to receive a military medal for bravery in war? A tuxedo cat named Simon served on the Royal Navy ship HMS Amethyst during the difficult Yangtze incident in 1949. Despite being injured by cannon fire, Simon protected the ship's food supply from a massive rat infestation for weeks. He was awarded the Dickin Medal, the animal equivalent of the Victoria Cross, for his devotion to duty and morale. This proves that behind that fancy formal suit, beats the heart of a courageous warrior and a loyal protector. 7th, tuxedo cats develop rapidly and often open their eyes significantly earlier than kittens of other colours. While most kittens open their eyes after 2 weeks, tuxies have been known to open them a full 24 hours early. This early development might explain their high intelligence and their intense curiosity about the world around them. They are quite literally eager to see the world and start exploring their territory before anyone else is awake. This head start in life often translates into a cat that is more confident and adventurous than their littermates. 8th, these cats have also made their mark in pop culture, inspiring some of the most famous cartoons in history. Sylvester the cat from Looney Tunes is a classic tuxedo, known for his persistence and his distinct lisping voice. Felix the cat, the silent film star, was chosen as a tuxedo because the black and white pattern looked great on screen. Even the Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss is a tuxedo cat, bringing chaos and fun wherever he goes with his red bow tie. These characters reflect the real-life personality of tuxies, mischievous, resilient, and impossible to ignore. 9th, on a physical level, you will often notice that tuxedo cats have white whiskers, which is a striking feature. Most black cats have black whiskers, but the piebald gene often removes pigment from the whisker follicles as well. This gives them a distinct, expressive face that makes their reactions and facial expressions much easier to read. Their eyes are usually a striking green or gold, providing a beautiful contrast to their monochrome black and white fur. Sometimes they even have heterochromia, or odd-coloured eyes, although this is rarer than in pure white cats. 10th, there is a persistent myth that tuxedo cats bring good luck and prosperity to the households that adopt them. In ancient Egypt, cats with this bicolour pattern were worshipped and believed to bring the favour of the gods. Whether or not they bring magical luck, they certainly bring a wealth of entertainment and affection to your life. However, caring for a tuxedo cat does require a specific understanding of their high energy and social needs. Because of their tuxitude, they can become destructive if they are bored or left alone for long periods of time. They require complex puzzle toys, vertical climbing spaces, and active engagement to keep their smart brains happy. A bored tuxedo cat is a master of chaos who will open your cabinets and dismantle your house to find entertainment. They are also known for being quite vocal, so expect to have long, complex conversations with them about their day. They will tell you exactly when they are hungry, when the litter box is dirty, and when they demand your lap time. If you are looking for a passive ornament to sleep on your sofa all day, a tuxedo cat is probably the wrong choice. But if you want a partner in crime who will actively participate in your life, they are the perfect companion. Their combination of high intelligence, strong loyalty, and sharp dressing makes them a unique addition to any home. Adopting a tuxedo means inviting a creature that is equal parts elegance, genius, and absolute clown into your life. They bridge the gap between the wild instincts of a predator and the cuddly affection of a lifelong best friend. The contrast between their serious appearance and their silly behaviour provides endless amusement for their owners. They are the only cats that look like they are going to the opera while they are chasing a laser pointer around. Before you adopt, remember that their strong personality means they often run the household, not the other way around. You do not own a tuxedo cat. You simply have the privilege of sharing a living space with a well-dressed roommate. This dynamic creates a relationship of mutual respect and deep bonding that is rare in the animal kingdom. So, if you are ready for a high-engagement pet that looks like a gentleman but acts like a party animal, do it. Go to your local shelter, where many tuxedo cats are waiting for a home, often overlooked for rarer colours. You will be saving a life and gaining a best friend who is always dressed for the occasion, no matter the time. Look into those green or gold eyes, and you will see a spark of intelligence that is unique to the tuxedo pattern. They are waiting to bring their specific brand of chaos and love into your world and change it for the better. Subscribe to our channel right now to learn more about the fascinating history and biology of your favourite pets.